Welcome to your quick guide on the principle of movement in art. The 7 key principles of art are balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity. We're diving into how artists guide your eyes through their work using movement, and we've got some heavy hitters, Renoir, Degas, and Kandinsky, to show you how it's done. Let's go. Pierre-Auguste Renoir was all about light, color, and the buzz of Parisian life. Take his famous painting Bal du Moulin de la Galette. It's like a snapshot of a sunny Sunday dance party in Montmartre. People are chatting, flirting, and twirling under dappled sunlight. Renoir creates movement with fluid brushstrokes that blur edges, making the figures seem like they're swaying right before your eyes. The sunlight flickers, and warm colors like pinks and blues pull your eye in loops through the crowd. It feels like you're swaying with them. Movement here is all about loose strokes and vibrant energy. Next up, Edgar Degas, another impressionist but with a twist. He was obsessed with ballet dancers, turning their graceful world into art that feels mid-step. In the dance class from around 1874, Degas paints a rehearsal room full of ballerinas stretching, practicing, and adjusting their poses. Movement shines through in the off-center composition. It's like you're peeking in from the side, catching them in action. The figures are frozen but imply motion. One dancer balances on point, arms extended as if about to spin. Others lean forward in mid-adjustment. Degas uses soft pastels and quick lines to blur boundaries, making the scene hum with energy. It's like the dancers could leap off the canvas any second. This teaches us how gesture and asymmetry can suggest flow, even in a still image. Now, Vasily Kandinsky goes abstract with Composition 8, 1923. No people, just circles, triangles, and zigzags zipping across like a cosmic dance. Diagonal lines drag your eye corner to corner, while bold reds, yellows, and blues pulse with rhythm. It's like music in art form, guiding your gaze on a wild ride. Shapes and colors create pure energy. And that's movement. Renoir's lively crowds, Degas' graceful dancers, and Kandinsky's abstract energy show how lines, colors, and composition make art pop. Try guiding the viewer's eye in your next piece.